An SUV defied gravity when it crash landed into the
Hi, Shauna.
Special weather statement issued at 3:28 a.m. The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extreme west central Clackamas County in northwest Oregon, west central Marion County in northwest Oregon until 4 a.m. At 3:21 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of reducing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles south of Silverton, or 11 miles east of Salem, and moving north at 30 miles per hour. Other locations the severe thunderstorm will be near include Silverton, Aurora. This will impact the following Oregon highways: Interstate 5 between mile markers 265 and 278, State Highway 22 east of Salem between mile markers 9 and 12. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows.
Heard a big just crack and then
A big kush. A big kush.
By age 50-55. This shocked all the researchers.
It shocked me too.